Hello children, today we will learn the names of 7 continents and 5 oceans. This video is specially made for kids. So how many continents are there? 7. Let us try to count the continents. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. See, this is a huge continent. 5. This is 6. And this is 7. So there are 7 continents. Let us try to just count them once again. See, do not count them in any manner. Just count them in a serial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Try to count them yourself. This is and this is last 7. So if you have been able to count the 7 continents, now let us try to name them. Remember, just like we have counted them in a particular serial, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to name them in the same serial. Let us see. 1. This is North America. North America. N for North America. 2. This is 2. South America. South America. S for South America. This is 3. 3. It is Europe. Europe. E for Europe. This is 4. 4. The name is Africa. Africa. A for Africa. The large continent. This is Asia. Asia. A for Asia. This is 6th continent. Number 6. Australia. Australia. A for Australia. This is last continent, 7th number. Antarctica. Antarctica. A for Antarctica. Let us try to name them once again, slowly. North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. Now try to name them yourself. Do you think that you are unable to learn the full names of the continents? Let us try a trick. I will say small words of initial words of the continents. Let us try. This is North. Can you recognize North? North America. Yes. This is South. South. South America. This is Europe. This is Africa. This is Asia. This is Australia. And the last continent is Antarctica. Let us name the continents for the last time. North America. Say it behind me. South America. Say it. Europe. Repeat it. Africa. Asia. Australia. Antarctica. So we have learned the names of 7 continents. Now let us try to learn the 5 oceans. Before we learn the names of oceans, let us count the oceans. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can see 3 oceans are 1, 2, 3. How? 1, 2, and 3. And 2 oceans are on top and bottom. This is 4th. And this is 5. Now count them yourself. I will just point. This is, yes, 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. And this is 5. Yes. Now let us name the oceans. This is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. P for Pacific Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. A for Atlantic Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. I for Indian Ocean. This is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. A for Arctic Ocean. And the last one is Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. A for Antarctic Ocean. Now let us try once again. This is 1. Pacific Ocean. Repeat it behind me. Pacific Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. So we have learned the 7 continents and 5 oceans. Do you want me to say them once again? Let us start. North America, North America, South America, South America, Europe, Europe, Africa, Africa, Asia, Asia, Australia, Australia, Antarctica, Antarctica, and the oceans, Pacific Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean,